Hi, I'm Addie Thornley. I'm the Gibson County Agricultural and Natural Resources Educator. Let's fly a drone.
The drone we're flying today is called a Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Once we have attached all the propellers, check the drone over for damage, and check that the battery is secure, we're ready to fly. Once the drone and controller are turned on and connected, we're ready for takeoff. Before takeoff, though, we always want to make sure that we're in a safe environment to fly and that the weather is cohesive to flying. This drone is able to take off and land on its own with the push of a button. Once the drone is taken off, it will hover to a preset height and wait to be told where to go. The controller works a lot like a video game controller, so if you're good at video games, you have an advantage with flying a drone. The drone moves up and down, side to side, back and forth, and spins in a circle in either direction. The camera can also move up and down. Drone imaging can be used in a variety of ways. In agriculture, one way that these aerial images are used is to help you find a problem in a field so you know exactly where to walk out, saving you time so that you don't have to walk through the entire field. DNR also uses photos to look at tree lines. Aside from agriculture, realtors use drones to take pictures of houses. Think about if you could only see pictures of a house from the ground, what you'd be missing out on. Wedding videographers also use drones to achieve those perfect pictures and videos. While flying, you always want to be courteous to animals or people around you. When in the air, the drone makes a loud buzzing noise. As you can see here, some dogs can be agitated by the drone and the noise as it's unfamiliar to them. A major advantage drones have is their size and ease of flying. Think about if the only alternative to flying a drone to get these aerial images was to fly an airplane. Airplanes are much larger and much more expensive. If you crash a drone, you're looking at a lot less money than if you crash an airplane. However, to be able to fly a drone for work or any type of business, you have to have a license. When you have this license, it makes you a remote pilot for an unmanned aircraft. If you are interested in learning more about drone technology, reach out to your local county extension educator for more information. Thank you for watching.